How to use Visa Debit gift card on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can use your Visa Debit gift card on the Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to use your Visa Debit gift card or any of the other type of gift card for your Amazon account, it is very simple to redeem them. All you have to do is simply go and first of all launch the Amazon shopping application on your phone. Once you launch the Amazon app, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface where you just have to tap the account icon, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap the account option, at the very top you'll find this option known as your account. Make sure to just tap on the your account option, and as you tap the your account option, you just want to actually scroll over here, look for the option known as redeem gift card balance. So let me also go ahead and simply look for that specific option over here. So right over here you can see under payments it says manage gift card balance. Just make sure you tap on it. As you tap on it here, you'll be able to see a gift card balance, and if you'd like to redeem or use your Visa Debit gift card, tap on the option known as redeem another gift card over here. As you tap on the redeem another gift card option, you have two options. One is that you can either scan your claim code using your phone's camera and the Amazon application that you can find over here. And after you've done that, what you can just try to do is it'll automatically scan the code for you if it finds a code. Otherwise, you can simply choose to enter the claim code manually. Make sure that they're correct. Tap on the apply to your balance option and a gift card will be successfully redeemed. And this way you can use your Visa Debit gift card on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.